Okay, for this tutorial what I want to show you is how to create a forum, and if you're an editor of a room, you've got ownership of a room, you'll be able to do this quite easily. The first thing you need to do is add this forum button here. To do this, I've already done this, and to do this what you need to do is choose the customize tool package, and what this does is it allows you to add things into this panel here. And as you can see, I've got a forum selected here. I select it and what you need to make sure is that this button here is selected, so that all guests, which all users are of your room, all guests normally have just read access in the room, should have write access to the tool as well. And the reason that you want this is pretty much so that they can actually add things into the discussion that you're going to create. Again, I can save this. You can edit various options here, edit the title and so on. What we'll do is, if I do CGI forum, just add that and then save it. Okay. But as I say, you must make sure that your guests can read it. There you go, and it's changed here. Okay, and once we've done this, we can then go into the CGI forum, and there's actually nothing here. What I need to do is actually create the forum. So all I've done at the moment is create the link here, if you like. And what I should do is click on forum, like so, and this is actually going to create the forum for us, or the template, if you like, that we're going to use. So I'm going to call it computer graphics forum, and then I'm going to just give it a description, discussion, spell it right. There you go. Okay, and there's various settings that you can use down here, so we're just going to keep it as a discussion forum, which is like a simple traditional thread discussion where replies are grouped under subjects and so on. But there's other ones you can choose. Debates or unthreaded discussions, just like having a conversation to and from, but with an option for the users to take a position on the on what's been written. But what I'm going to do is click on save, and what I'd like it to do as well is I could tick the open in new window, but that means that another window is going to open up on top of the one we've already got, so I'm not going to tick that one. I'm going to click on save. Okay, we can edit this later on, and there you go, that's the discussion forum that we've actually added. Okay, I'm going to actually go back into the forum, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add something to the forum now. So I'm going to choose my forum I want to contribute to, and I'm going to have a new contribution like so, and then everybody will be able to see this. So my headline is going to be something on the lines of, let's wait for it to open up, something along the lines of best film ever. And if I make it a CG film, on save, and I'll pose a question, I think, as well. So what is the best CGI film ever, like so, question mark, and click on save there. And what that does is that starts to add to like the discussional forum. So if I click on just add here, okay, this is my comment here, so I click on the comment and I can then see contribution that I've made. I'm going to quickly log on as the test user and then show you what they see. Okay, so I've logged on as Joe Trainer, my training user, and what I'm going to do is, you can see I've got my forum here now as part of my group listing on the left. Click on CGI forum, and here again you can see the graphic forum, and I can now contribute to this discussion. So I might have read the various contributions that other people have made, and then just underneath the first one I'm going to add my own contribution, and I'm going to headline it and saying sort of just what, like that, and just add it was Avatar, of course, with no how you spell course, like so, and just click on save, and that adds me to the discussion. So there you go, it's added me just before there. I can read various discussions like so. So this is the question, if you like, and I can click on my contribution like so. Okay, I've logged on back on as me, and CGI forum I'll go to, and what I should see is obviously my forum. And I go to computer graphics like so, and you can see here you've got 2 contributors and 1 read, and there you go, there's Joe's response here to the film. I can click on it and say it was, and I can add another contribution, and so the process of building up the forum goes as you need to.